I am so excited to share our latest DIY adventure. We are building our very own high-quality vinyl fence. Actually, it's halfway done already, and it was such a fun and rewarding project. And what made it even more special was working on it together with my husband. We are really proud of how it all turned out, and I can't wait to show you here on this video how we did it. So we started with the basics, getting the right measurements. My husband took the lead on this, obviously. He carefully measured out the area for the fence and the gate, and it was so important to make sure we had the correct dimensions before buying all the materials, so that we would know exactly how much the vinyl fence and gate would cost us. Anyway, once we had all the measurements, it was time to dig. We both used an auger in the former video before this one. The auger was used to dig the holes for the fence posts, and then obviously after doing all the holes, we also needed concrete, and we did use a concrete mixer, and we definitely needed that mixer to make things go smoothly. After the concrete was ready, we poured it into the holes, and then we inserted the posts. We needed strong reinforcement, and that's why we did it this way. Anyway, we made sure that everything was nice and leveled afterwards, and it was a lot of work, but it was so satisfying seeing it all come together. It took us about a week for this whole project, and then we started installing the vinyl fence panels, and then we needed the drill and we needed the saw to make sure everything fit perfectly. We were careful with each piece to make sure it was sturdy and secure. And then when we installed the gate, it was, boom, the cherry on top. It felt amazing to see our hard work paying off. Now, once the fence was up, we moved to the fun part, landscaping. We took our time clearing out unwanted weeds, smoothing out the ground, making sure the soil was balanced. This new side yard is really going to be our little outdoor sanctuary. We're planning to spend lots of quiet mornings and evenings here. I can't wait to enjoy breakfast and dinners and just some quality husband and wife time together. We laid out as well a 200-foot roll of gray weed stopper. That was 200 by 6 foot of gray weed stopper fabric, and then my husband pinned it to the ground, and then he had to put rubber edges to keep everything in place. After that, it was time to add the gravel, and then he poured it all over the side yard to create a beautiful low maintenance outdoor space that's just going to be perfect for relaxing. Looking at it now, I am so happy with how it all turned out. This new side yard is going to be a special place for us, a peaceful retreat right at home. Plus, I'm already imagining cozy breakfasts on the weekends and quiet dinners in the evenings. It really feels like we've created something just for us. And the best part, we did it together. Spending time together, working on something like this, there's nothing like the satisfaction of seeing it all come together. Especially when you're doing it with someone you love.